Hey guys, today we're going to be cleaning the air filter and lens on the Vankyo V630W. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. The only tools you'll need is the cotton swab that's provided in the box, as well as a vacuum to clean the filter. To start off, flip over to the projector so that the label is facing up. On the left hand side, there'll be a notch to pull out the filter. Once it's removed, just grab your vacuum and vacuum out the filter. Once you're done, just reinsert it. Next, to clean any dust or specks off your image, just peel back the label to expose the plastic cover. Then remove the cover to gain access to the glass. Now take the cotton tip swab and insert it into the opening and begin to gently wipe the area with dust or specks. Just keep in mind, you probably won't be able to clean every speck of dust, but you'll most likely be able to get rid of the noticeable ones that's affecting your viewing experience. This is where I'm going to end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.